Hello everybody, this is my one lovebird. His name is Matt. This is Carly. Hello lovebirds. Right now my one lovebird is sleeping. Her name is Carly. Hello Matt, how are you? Are you fine? Carly? Carly? See, this is Carly. Carly, say hello to the YouTubers. See, they're running. She's so cute. This is their food. And this is their water. You look like Angry Birds. Hello lovebirds, I want to tell you that you're so cute. And now, lovebirds, welcome to the YouTube. I know I like YouTube. I always watch YouTube about lovebirds. Just why I bought you and I like you. So now lovebirds, let's introduce you to the YouTubers. Hello everybody. I just want to greet my classmates, my best friend number 1, Jeff Manlolo, and Dimler de la Cruz and Neil Corsiga. They're my classmates who support me in this video. So please like this video, everybody. I want to thank my schoolmates in NFPS, my teachers, and my friends. So please subscribe. Thank you YouTube, and bye.